Maintenance video of screw air compressor. Prepare necessary supplies and tools. Air filter element, oil filter, oil separator element, special coolant. Open the chassis door and find the location of the gas liquid separator drain port. Screw on the special oil drain interface, oil drain pipe connected to drain port valve. Absorb the gas liquid. Separator pressure gauge. When the pressure rises to 4-5 MPa, open the drain port valve, drain the oil inside the air compressor. Close the drain valve. Restart the machine. The liquid separator pressure gauge will shut down after the pressure rises to 3-4 MPa. Panel temperature should not exceed 85%. Put oil the second time until the oil inside the screw air compressor is drained. Close the screw air compressor outlet valve. Take out the old port and replace it with a new air filter element. Remove old parts and replace with new oil filter. The amount of oil is about 2/3. Remove the gas liquid separator, upper cover screws, and connecting pipes. Remove the pressure pipe, oil return pipe, and air pipe. Loosen the upper cover screws. Open and take out the old filter. Use a blade to clean the gas liquid separator, upper mouth and cover paper pad to prevent air leakage. After replacing the new one, install the screws and pipes. The cover screws need to be tightened diagonally. Connect the pipe. Connect the pressure sensor. Open the gas liquid separator or filler. Add special coolant until the air level reaches the upper end of the red line. Screw the value. Replace the hexagonal knot of the air drain valve and tighten it. Open the air compressor outlet valve. Check whether there is leak for dismantled parts. Observe the air level. Make sure it's between the high and low level. Adjust panel maintenance parameters. Clear alarm. Power frequency. Adjustment panel parameters.